We are done with Module 1 to 6. So by the way, Module 7 to 11 are just modules to study. They don't have tests to answer. But they do have questions, or should I say practice questions, each modules. So let's begin with Module 7, Listening Skill Receptive. Module 8, Reading Skill Receptive. Module 9, Speaking Skill Productive with Vocabulary. For Module 10, Writing Skill Productive with Vocabulary. For the Module 11, Grammar Focus. And this Module 12 have tests targeting children. If your class get out of hand, it's okay to bang your hand on your desk and shout, "Shut up," to get their attention. False. Always try to be serious in the classroom, or your students will not respect you. False. Be fair and firm about enforcing rules and acceptable classroom behavior. True. When using a story to illustrate your chosen target language, it is perfectly acceptable to just pick up the book and go into the classroom and let the story dictate how you will read it. False. Learn the children's names as soon as you can and always use them. True.